Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Miss Luna from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start at the top and let's draw 2 curves down. Now from the top, let's step down and let's draw a curve out and down. And then a curve at the bottom to close off each eye. Next, inside each eye, let's draw an angled curve across. And then another curve underneath. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. From the sides of the eyes, let's draw a small curve out. Then from the ends, let's draw an S-shaped curve down, coming to a point in the middle. Next, underneath, let's add the pincers. Underneath, let's draw a curve down and then curve it back up. And the same on the left. Next, above each eye, let's draw a curve up and then bring it down towards the center. And let's leave a gap in the middle. Next, in that gap, let's draw the crown. Let's start with the curve for the bottom. Then let's curve it up and out from both ends. Now let's curve it back down and in. And then a V-shaped point above it to close it off. And lastly, for the crown, from the outside points, let's draw another curve towards the center. Next, let's add the antennae. On the top right, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and out like this. And the same thing on the left. Now from the ends, let's follow that same curve back down to the head. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and in. Next, let's add the arms. On the left, let's draw 2 small diagonal lines down. And the same on the right. Now let's hop up closer to the face here and let's draw a curve down. And let's do the same on the other side. Now from the top, let's draw a curve out. Then let's curve it down and out like this. And then for the ends, let's curve it back up and in. And then let's close off the underside of the arm with a curve like this. And lastly, for the arms, let's draw a small square underneath. Next, on the outside of each arm, let's draw some spikes. Let's draw one at the top, two larger ones going out underneath, and then two smaller ones. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the skirt. Let's draw a wavy line across under the body like this. Now let's hop up inside under the body and let's draw some curved lines. And that's it for the skirt. Next, let's add the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw two angled lines out. And the same thing on the bottom right. Now across the end, let's add a curve. Then two curved lines down and out like this. Next, at the end, let's draw another curve that's slightly longer. Then another set of curves underneath. And now let's add the foot. We'll start with a curve for the top. And then an S-shaped curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the first set of legs. Let's draw another set behind. Let's start on the left side here, next to the arm, and draw two angled lines up and out. And the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the next section of the leg angled down. And now let's add a curve at the bottom. Another set of curves. And now at the end, let's add the feet. So we'll start with the curve for the top. And then an S-shaped curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the legs. Next, let's hop up and draw the wings. Let's start above the left shoulder and let's draw a curve up and then bring it back in. And now let's do the same on the right. Now let's hop down and draw another set behind. Let's draw a curve out to the left and back in. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Miss Luna. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!